F1 series. We're gonna change the discs and pads on it. They're not actually that bad, but we're gonna change them anyway, just to show you a little how-to to make life easy. And then the wheel pulls off.
So he says.
I hate it when it sticks like that. What we gotta do, which is the same as the front. That bolt there holds the disc into place as well as that, but just loosen that off. Then when we undo that, and that, it'll come out. So now we've got to take the caps off. So you can see, so that one there, take the cap off, and where's that one? There's another one just there, my finger is. It is a T40, you can pick that up. T40, let's get it up, as you can see. There's a T40, and all it does is that in the caliper you say, or the, that's just the caliper, isn't it?
Huh?
That's just the caliper, isn't it, for that?
What is it?
What we're removing now.
Yeah.
And then obviously you got your brake actual caliper. This just holds the pads in place. Let's pull that out, that'll come out. See it moving? Sooner or later it'll pull out. Got the other one, which is that. That's what we're looking at. Now we've got to remove this. Oh, we put pressure on it and then pull it out.
Yeah. If I can do it with this. Bit of the right. There we go.
Is there a special tool for this, or no? Just that'll do, yeah.
That's it.
Then
Caliper off.
yeah,
Pads out.
yeah, I'll pull out.
Deadjust the handbrake from in there.
Yeah,
Disc off. New stuff on.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, got to undo the actual brake caliper itself. I don't know why you can see that, but there's a nut there. There's a one underneath that. Just it's not too much, but there and there. Get them out, and the caliper can come off and pull the disc off. Show you what I'm doing. So lifting that one. Make sure it's sitting on properly, because you don't want to spin the bolt. And the top one, and then pop it off. I'll get back to you when it's like a retainer in it that holds the pads in place.
There you go. And then that's the carrier, pad
Yeah.
carrier, so
Yeah.
it carries the pads.
Yeah,
So take them off now,
yeah.
and then
So should that free up some more space?
yeah, loads.
Oh yeah. What then? My bad. So good job. We've got a mechanic. That one there, so that you can see that one there and that one there, and then take them off, and then this should come out. So. Sweet. No way.
Always wear safety goggles,
Yeah, so.
as I am.
Yeah. You don't want metal in your eye, safety goggles.
Metal and metal corrosion.
But because he's got glass eyes, He's alright. Beautiful.
Might just be able to squeeze through there. But you want to
Why would you put the wheel nuts in? To pull the what's it out?
so I can turn this up, so I can see where to adjust it to the top or bottom.
So confused now. Adjust it.
De-adjust. There it is.
So what are you actually looking for when you mean de-adjust?
I'll show you when it's off.
Yeah, because
Show you. It's hard to explain.
that would confuse me. So like adjustment.
Yeah, so basically, handbrake adjustment through there. So you have to de-adjust it, which then in turn takes that off. So that's what you de-adjust.
How? What by spinning that?
Yeah, so you spin that,
Yeah.
it then pushes the shoes in,
Yeah.
and then when you've put the new disc on, you adjust it all the way out,
Yeah.
so you can't physically turn
Oh,
it.
so put your screwdriver in and then go
Yeah,
notch it down.
if I can find the screwdriver. So literally, you just do that.
Yeah. And that'll loosen it off so you can. So if that's pushed out, that'll push on the.
Yeah, so that
Inside.
pushes on that there.
So that's how your handbrake work. It will
So that's how handbrakes work on BMWs.
Yeah.
And then once you put the new disc on, you have to de-adjust it all the way, because obviously the new disc is going to be thicker. So de-adjust it all the way, and then adjust it all the way so you can't physically spin the disc,
Yeah.
and then undo it so you can just about spin it,
Yeah.
and then that's how the adjustment should be on the handbrake.
There we go. Sweet. There we go. Let's stick the new one on. And they're the new. Where the hell? Brembo babies. Would you say the Jordan Groove ones are better?
For dissipating heat, yes. For everyday practicability, there's not much point having Jordan Groove discs, because you're supposed to clean the holes out on the disc,
Yeah.
because they get full of brake dust and then they don't work. It's just like that.
Yeah. That could be why mine doesn't stop then, innit?
Hey?
So you've got to push the piston back in, otherwise the new pads will not go in.
All that.
Yeah. So, obviously it's flush, so the new pads will sit in nicely.
A lot of people say put grease in them, but why should you put grease in? They don't come with grease from factory, so why should they have to have grease? Grease just attracts dirt and the dust, which then makes your brakes squeaky. If you clean them properly, they shouldn't squeak.
You get the gist, just clean them properly and it should be good to go. So now it's pretty much just reverse order. So do them two bolts up, and then when that's done up, we'll get to the next step. So we've located we've got a locator on the back, then it pushes in just like so. You'll see where it lines up, and then like you say, this one Like that, yeah? No, it's not. Is that right? No, it's definitely not. Whoa! Don't listen to me. And that goes over the top, yeah?
Yep.
Right.
Always helps if you put the pads in properly.
Yeah.
Make sure get the carrier on, the caliper, sorry, on properly.
Don't we need that spring no more?
Now put the bolts in first.
What, on the
Yeah, on the back, sliders.
yep, so sliders. When do you adjust it? When it's all in?
So get it lined up.
Yeah.
And then, if you can, if you've got enough strength,
You should be able to get it in. You get the idea.
just like that, and then just give it a little tap. Make sure it's in properly, which it is. There you go, done. Wheel on. Boom.
And adjust that.
Yep.
You know.
Basically, it spins stupid amounts now.
Yeah.
So what you do,
And then it should be quite stiff, so it should hardly move.
yeah. Well, you'll feel it because this will stop. Like now, stop. See how you can't move it.
Yeah.
So what you do is you adjust it, de-adjust it yourself.
It's got hardly any.
It's just a touch away. There. How do?
Sweet. Is that where it holds the sensor? So
Sensor there.
what's that? The brake wear sensor.
Brake pad wear sensor, yeah.
So behind the trim.
Unclip it.
There you go, job done. Out.
Clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there. Clip all the way through.
Yeah. And then job done.
Off the pad. Like that.
Yep.
That's it done.
And there we go, that is it. That is how to install discs and pads on a BMW. It's pretty much the same when you do the back. The only thing that's different really is the ABS sensor. Not ABS sensor, sorry, the brake pad wear sensor. So that's it, good to go.